Hello folks, welcome to another episode of TM3 Life, and we have exciting news today. We have officially spotted a CyberTruck on the East Coast. There's a friend of mine, Luna, who ordered a CyberTruck. And she's been waiting for that to come in, just like all the rest of us are waiting for ours to come in. And I think her order got put in even before mine. And she said she spotted a CyberTruck and was able to take a look at it and walk around it. She says it looks even more than 3 to 5% smaller than what Elon said it would be compared with the prototype that we all saw unveiled in November of 2019. Let's take a look at her footage. Okay folks, so obviously this is the 1/10 scale, so it is 90% smaller than the production CyberTruck. But I didn't actually lie to you. This is a CyberTruck. It is on the East Coast and it was ordered for my friend Luna. Let me introduce you to my friend Luna. So this is my friend Luna. And I think, the 1/10 scale is gonna be perfect for her. Oh, Luna. Yeah. Can you tell everybody what you think of your CyberTruck? Pretty awesome, huh? Okay, I've got my scissors here. It's already popped on that side. Pop it open on this side here. There we go. I'll just give the tape a little cut here. There we go. Okay. I will keep this box. I ordered this essentially as a collector's item, so I will end up keeping it new for the most part, in its case. Obviously I did take it out for the little fun that we had earlier on in the video, but it will all go back in its case, and it'll all go back in this box. Okay, actually has some pretty good heft to it. So this reminds me of like a Pelican case. Plastic, it has metal support pieces on it, the corners, the latches are metal, that seems to be plastic. And then this is my first look as well, so, well, technically this is my first look. You will have already seen it. First thing is the controller. So at this point, I don't know what all of these do. There's two trims here. There's two trims here. There's a button called FTN key. This is the power on and off. Runs on 2.4 gigahertz. You have a dial here that says ATV. There is no ATV, I do not believe. So maybe it's something that comes later. There's a throttle limiter, which is right here. It means you can only pull it back so far, which means it's a 30% throttle limiter, which means once you take that off and flip it around, you'll get the full 100% of power. This is I'm sure you guys have seen, if you've seen this video, these things are very, very fast. And obviously the steering is right here, and it is in the shape of the CyberTruck wheel. Next up are these two pieces. This is going to plug into the wall. Obviously this is your charger, and then this plugs into this section of the charger. And then what this says, oh, that's kind of cool. It tells you like 25%, 50%, 75%, 100% charge. And this part connects to the battery. Have in here, it's a quick start guide, little booklet in there. Stick that back down in. This is, open up this box here so we can see it. This is the acrylic bumper guard for the CyberTruck, connected to the bottom of the truck, and it just protects the front of it so it doesn't get damaged. See, this lifts up, and like I said, it's just in the shape of the CyberTruck. And let's see if we can pull the CyberTruck out of here. Okay. And okay, so this is the CyberTruck, and the truck itself isn't as big as, you know, the case makes you think, but it's definitely heavy duty. We're gonna go ahead and take these off. Love that peeling feeling, it's so nice. Off the roof. And off the other side. I'm thinking because of the weight of this, the battery is probably already in the CyberTruck. The battery's already in there. I'm gonna guess that it probably is. So yeah, the battery's already in here, so that's what the battery is. We'll go ahead and we'll get the battery charged in a second. Here's where that clips in, and this clips in. This is what clips into the actual CyberTruck. Let's take a look at that. There you go, that's the receiving end. And there's the end that plugs into the receiving end of the truck, and this is the plug that charges the battery itself. Let's see what else we have here. Okay, so the back, let's take a look at the back. That opens up, it's magnetic. Of course, the real CyberTruck will not have ropes, at least we don't believe so. That shuts really, really well. This lights up, this is of course the little tonneau. Of course, we can still open up the tailgate with the tonneau closed. Other thing that I guess isn't actually correct is you can see the load floor is not flat. And in the real CyberTruck, the load floor is going to be completely flat. And that also means that there's no wheel well intrusion in as well. A completely flat load floor, which is really nice. This truck does show door handles, I believe, and again, we haven't seen any update, but I don't believe the actual CyberTruck will have door handles. The suspension, independent front and rear suspension. Wheels are, you know, deflated rubber. It's got some sort of a semblance of an interior inside here. On the front, this whole front headlight lights up, and the light up here above the cab, on the top of the cab, lights up as well. So it's pretty true to form. And one more thing to show with the tailgate, when you have the tailgate down, you also have the ramp that comes out for the Cyber Quad to drive up on. So that's pretty cool. I mean, they really went all out with this. So let's get the batteries charged, and we'll go from there. Okay, hopefully you folks can see that. We have the battery plugged in, and it looks like it came 75% charged. We're just going to charge it to 100. Okay folks, well that's it for today's episode of TM3 Life. Go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't. I've noticed that over 90% of the viewers on my channel haven't even subscribed yet. So go ahead and subscribe, as we will have a lot more real CyberTruck content coming. So, as always, let's keep those batteries charged.